Hello friends, I am Pranita Shishni. Today I am here to tell you the story of the boy who cried the lion. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a mischievous boy named Leo. He was known for his pranks and love for the storytelling. One sunny afternoon, feeling bored, he decided to have some fun at the expense of the villagers. He climbed up a hill and shouted, "Help! A lion is attacking my sheep." The villager, alarmed by his cries, rushed to his aid, alarmed with the sticks and stones. When they reached the hill, they found Leo laughing at their frantic expressions. "There is no lion, just wanted to see you all run." They were furious but couldn't help but shake their heads at the boys' antics. A few days later, Leo grew tried to villagers' anger and planned another trick. This time, he climbed a hill again, but he was careful to wait until the villagers were busy with their daily task. "Help! A lion is going to eat my sheep," he bellowed once more. The villagers remember his previous deception, but also fearing for the sheep, hesitated evenly. One brave farmer decided to check. When he reached Leo, he found him giggling again. "You feel for it again," Leo laughed. Days turned into the weeks, and Leo continued his prank, each time crying out about the imaginary dangers. Each time the villagers grew more wary and less willing to believe him. "Don't fall for his tricks," uh, they warned one another. Then, one fateful day, as Leo was tending to his sheep, he spotted something moving in the tall grass. His heart raced as he realized it was a lion prowling close by. Panic-stricken, he climbed to hill and shouted at the top of his lungs, "Help! A lion is really here!" But this time no one came. The villagers thought it was just another of the Leo's tricks. They ignored his cries, believing he was playing yet another prank. Frustrated and frightened, Leo realized he had lost their trust. Desperate, he watched as the lion approached his sheep. With no one to help, he had to think quickly. Gathering all the courage, he grabbed a stick and faced the lion, shooting loudly. To this surprise, the lion started by the boldness and turned at the field. The Leo learned a valuable lesson that a day the importance of honesty and the consequences of lying. When the villagers finally came to check on him, they were shocked to find the lion had vanished and the Leo was safe. He told them the truth of the happened and thought they were relieved. They also remind him that the trust once broken his heart and regained. From that day forward, the Leo decided to be honest. He became a storyteller, sharing tales that captivated the villagers, earning back their trust slowly but surely. And although he never forgot the lesson he learned, he also never forgot the thrill of the adventure. The boy who cried lion became a boy who inspired a courage and honesty in his village. I think you enjoy the story. That is the boy who cries the lion. I think it is enjoy everyone. Thank you for listening, friends. Thank you again.